In this tutorial, I'll show you how to permanently close DocuSign account. By the end of this video, you will have closed your DocuSign account from within your settings and confirmed the permanent closure. First, log into DocuSign. On the sign-in page, enter your email and password, then continue into your account at the site. If you're already signed in, you can proceed right away. Next, click your profile icon in the top right. On most accounts, this appears as your initials or a small avatar. Click once to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select My Preferences. This opens your account preferences page in a new view. You'll see navigation on the left with different sections and options on the right. Now, scroll to Account Administration. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll down the left sidebar to find it. Click Account Administration to expand the section so the related settings are visible on the right. Click Close Account. The Close Account option is specifically for permanently closing your DocuSign account. When you select it, DocuSign will display a confirmation screen. Take a moment to read the message so you understand that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Your access to the account and its contents will end once the closure is confirmed. Follow the prompts to confirm permanent closure. On this screen, you may be asked to confirm your decision, select or type a reason, and acknowledge that closing the account is permanent. Carefully review any checkboxes or warnings that appear. When you are ready, click the Final Confirmation button to complete the process. If a secondary confirmation pops up, confirm again. This ensures that the account isn't closed by mistake. Once that's done, wait for the confirmation message on screen. You should see a clear notice that your DocuSign account has been closed. If the page redirects you to the sign-in screen or shows a success banner, that indicates the closure is complete. To recap the on-screen flow you just followed, you logged in, clicked your profile icon in the top right, selected My Preferences, scrolled to Account Administration, clicked Close Account, and then confirmed the permanent closure through the prompts. Each of these actions happens within your DocuSign account settings, and the final confirmation is required to protect you from accidental deletion. If at any point during the confirmation you see a warning, read it closely and proceed only when you're certain. This is a permanent action. Take your time on the confirmation step so you feel confident that you're closing the correct account. After confirming, you're done. Your DocuSign account is now permanently closed and the change is in effect. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.